Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? I just unboxed all of the pieces for this vanity set that I'm right about to put together. And so as you can see, there are quite a few pieces, but the smartest thing to do is, as you're unboxing them, just start to organize them by size and by part number. And so as you can see, these are all the same parts. These are all the same part numbers, so on and so forth. And so just get them sort of organized and spread out so you see exactly what you got. So you can see here there's some more pieces, right? Those are going to be like the drawer bottoms. I can already tell it's kind of thin layered board. This is probably going to be the cabinet back. This right here is the leather seat right here. And then I went ahead and placed the mirror over here, kind of out of the way so that, doesn't break during the process. Here are the drawer rails in the box that it came in. These are the individually packaged hardware, and this is the box that it came in. This here is the light bulb pack and all of its hardware, and this is the box that it came in. And lastly, this is the manual right here. So this should probably take me about 2 hours to complete, maybe 2.5 hours, depending on the pace that I keep. So I'm going to show you the finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this vanity set that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembling it is that this thing is pretty nice, right? So let's quickly look at some of the features, things that it offers so that you can make a more informed purchasing decision. So on the right side here we have 4 drawers sort of in this tower here, and they're all the same size. It has this nice little kind of gap underneath so that you can easily just pull out the drawers. I'm just going to put my hand in it just so you can see exactly how big it is. Right, so multiply that by 4 and you have plenty of storage. On the right side, or sorry, on the left side, they have this bigger drawer here where you can put some more flatter items, things of that nature, just so you can get organized and have some nice space for you to look your best. Right underneath they have this nice sort of leather top seat right here, which is a nice little addition to the entire set, but relatively comfortable, easy to put together, definitely a nice addition to it. And up top here you have the dresser top, right? And on the right side you have 2 additional areas where you can store things on these shelves, and then it has this top shelf right here as well as this little cubby area right here. Then you have the light bulbs right here, and the cool thing about these is that they just stick right on. Just make sure that you are orienting the part that has the cord on the left hand side so that it has access for you to connect to the outlet. And then right here it has a USB adapter so that you can use it pretty much anywhere you go. So this here is the control. This plus sign controls the brightness. So right now it's already at its brightness, top brightness. This one, negative sign, makes it more dim. So I'm gonna dim that down, then put it back up. And then this middle button right here with the arrows basically changes the different tints. So right now it's at like more of a white color. This one is a kind of warmer brown or tan color. And then this one gives it a sort of like a blue tint, right? So you have those different options. And then this right here is the power on off button, right? So pretty cool. Overall, this assembly took me about 2.5 hours. I did use a drill, which definitely helped expedite the process, but of course you don't have to use a drill, and I definitely wouldn't let the assembly process deter you from taking a look at this set. So relatively straightforward assembly, really nice material leather for the seat. It's got a bunch of light bulbs where you can kind of brighten your face so you can see exactly what you're doing, and overall it's a pretty nice piece with some additional storage drawers. So overall, I would definitely highly recommend this vanity set. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.